Capricorn, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Okay, please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Capricorn. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let's see kung ano yung mga energies and messages sa inyo. Mga gabay for Capricorn, please. Strong energies and messages for Capricorn. Okay. Merong aunt, work, achievement, success. Okay. Merong tagumpay sa inyong ginagawa, sa inyong trabaho. Okay, you will be recognized because of your hard work. Okay, sa angking galing. Okay, sa inyong trabaho, merong achievement. Rooster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, meron kayong makakasalamuha na tao na medyo may kayabangan, okay? Be patient of that. Be aware sa mga taong ganyan. Seahorse, family matters, okay? Family matters, may mga importante na pag-uusapan, okay? May mga concerns about sa pamilya. Psychic ability, trust your intuition, okay? For some of you, you have psychic abilities, okay, mataas or very sharp ang inyong intuition. Yeah. Kung meron kayong mga desisyon na gagawin, pakiramdaman ninyo, okay? Dog barking, advice from a friend, okay? Throne, position of authority, okay? For some of you, may mataas na posisyon sa trabaho, okay? Merong promotion, you are a leader in your work, okay? Merong level up na mangyayari, Capricorn, that is good news. Tingnan natin from the tarot, ano yung messages from the tarot for Capricorn, please, mga gabay for Capricorn. Strong energies and messages for Capricorn, please. Oops, wow. Okay. Yeah, so merong improvement when it comes to your money, okay? Merong promotion, merong kang matatanggap na gift. You will have enough to pay off debts, okay? If you have loans, for some of you, you will be receiving a loan, okay? Mag-ingat sa dishonesty sa mga taong hindi maganda ang ugali, okay? Mapagsamantala. Yes. Very strategic person, okay? Nagtitake advantage for some of you, okay? Be aware sa mga lies, dishonesty, and deception. Yes. May mga desisyon kayong kailangan gawin. For some of you, there is a stalemate. Parang hindi kayo makagawa ng desisyon. You cannot make a choice. May mga kailangan kayong pag-isipan. Capricorn. Okay? Yes. Siguro may mga creative project kayong gagawin. Okay? Or a business, something exciting. Okay? Use your originality. Be creative. Yeah. Plan ahead, Capricorn. You are looking forward to it. Yes. You will have enough. Okay? Make time to those around you also. They need you, Capricorn. You are looking forward to receive a money. Okay? More than enough para sa mga pangangailangan ninyo or sa pangangailangan ng family. Okay? Hmm. Okay. Kung meron kayong mga challenges na na-encounter in your life or sa inyong sitwasyon, deal it with kindness, okay, and understanding manner. Okay? Speak your mind, Capricorn, kung anong sa isip ninyo. Okay? Sabihin ninyo kung ano yung gusto nyong mangyari, anong sa isip ninyo. Okay? For some of you, if you need some help, seek advice from a mentor. Okay? Yeah, choose your battles wisely, Capricorn. Yeah. May mga taong nangingialam sa inyong mga desisyon. Okay? Kumukuha ng mga information. Protect yourself. Yeah, mag-ingat sa mga mapagsamantala na tao, okay? Yes, they are just getting information sa mga nangyayari sa inyo, okay? Sa mga ganap nyo sa buhay. Be firm, Capricorn. Yes. Protect yourself and choose your battles wisely. Yeah. So, may mga magagandang pagbabago na mangyayari. Okay? A sudden turn of events. Yeah. Fortune is on your side. May magandang changes or pagbabago na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo. Maybe sa work. Okay? Sa personal life. Yeah. So, may mga complex kayo na decision na kailangang gawin. Okay? Also, i-review nyo din yung mga interest sa mga tao na nasa paligid ninyo. Okay? Check their motives. Yeah. Kung may mga kailangan kayong desisyon na gagawin, do not procrastinate. Baka kailangan nyo din mag-research kung ano mga magandang gawin. Okay? Yeah. Wow. Yes. You're thinking about the stability, financial stability, and security of the family. Merong kasaganahan na paparating. Okay? Yeah. You are very protective sa kung ano man ang inyong matatanggap na maganda, okay? Financially or material wealth, you will be receiving it, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, nag-iisip na kung ano yung magandang gawin, mga plans, okay? Mga bibilhin. There will be abundance, okay? Yes. Yeah, magkakaroon na ng kasagutan ng inyong paghihirap. Okay? Introspection na nangyayari. Okay? Merong ganun. Nag-iisip or tinitingnan ninyo yung mga delays na nangyari sa inyo, most especially in financial matters, okay, sa finances ninyo. May mga economic setback, you are thinking about it. Ngayon magkakaroon na siya ng solusyon. Meron ng clarity. Yeah, magkakaroon na ng kasagutan. Yes. Magiging maayos na ang inyong sitwasyon, Capricorn. After some delays and changes. Yes. Problems will fade away. Magkakaroon na kayo ng peace of mind. This is important sa inyo, Capricorn, yung peace of mind. Okay? things are looking up. Okay? Problems will fade away. Yes. Definitely your wish comes true. Okay? Yeah. You're going towards your happiness. There is sense of fulfillment in yourself, sa family ninyo. Okay? You feel very happy. You feel that you deserve this. You are in the right path, right direction. Okay? Yeah. Joy and contentment. Okay? For some of you, merong completion sa life ninyo. Kung meron mang kahirapan, merong delays sa inyong buhay. Okay? Magkakaroon ng kasagutan. You will be reflecting on this. And it's time for you to move on. Okay? This is meant to happen, Capricorn. Okay? You will be very happy. Mayroong karangyaan. You will have enough to provide or to give for your family. Okay? Kung ano man yung mga pangangailangan. Okay? For some of you, merong travel na magaganap. Maybe international or local. You are planning of that. Yeah. Mga things na bibilhin. Okay. Or maybe itinerary. Okay. You are planning. You are thinking of that already. You are planning ahead. This is going to be a successful time for you, Capricorn. Parang hindi mo to inaasahan na pagbabago sa buhay mo. Yeah. Huwag mong pansinin kung meron mang may mga nanuloko, okay, nagtitake advantage, okay? Be aware of that, but choose your battles wisely, okay? Protect what you have, protect your right, okay? Believe in yourself also that everything will be okay. Yeah. For some of you, you are hoping na sana tuloy-tuloy na yung mga magandang nangyayari sa inyo, sa buhay ninyo. Okay? This is a time na kailangan nyo na magkaroon ng celebration and happiness. Parang matagal mo na itong gusto na magkaroon ng kaliwanagan sa inyong sitwasyon, most especially in your in your finances, okay? Or financial matters. Okay? Yung kalagayan ng inyong pamilya. You've been hoping for this. And now, your wish comes true. You will be very happy. You will be moving forward. Delays are over. Yeah. Okay. Nararamdaman nyo na merong nagtitake advantage pa sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah. You will be very happy, Capricorn. Congratulations. Delays are over. Merong introspection. Yung mga questions mo sa buhay, yung mga problema mo, magkakaroon ng kasagutan. Okay? Believe in yourself. Yeah. Kung meron man kayong pagdidesisyonan about sa buhay ninyo, about sa family, do not procrastinate. Okay? Do it. Yung iba sa inyo, nag-iisip na kung ano yung mga bibilhin or gagawin, travel, saan pupunta. Okay? For some of you, you will be buying a home. Okay? Kung saan magsasama-sama ang buong pamilya. Yeah. There will be a completion, a success na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo, Capricorn. Okay? Let us see. Ano pa yung mga messages for Capricorn? Capricorn, you need to ignore what everyone else is doing and achieving. Your life is about breaking your own limits and outgrowing yourself to live your best life. You are not in competition with anyone else. Plan to outdo your past, not other people. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano yung message from the angel number. Capricorn, oops. For Capricorn, please. Number 31. If you keep seeing the number 31, this is the message for you. Your approach to life is an effective mix of both practicality and imagination. Your mind is steering with creative ideas and you have the organizational skills to manifest them to life. I am disciplined. Okay. So, you are disciplined, Capricorn. Ito yung mga messages para sa inyo. Gabay. Okay. Thank you so much and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.